The statements given by the actor's family members to Mumbai police, now with the CBI, also indicate they were at least aware to a certain degree about the mental health concerns that the late actor was facing. The lawyer, however, claims the statements were forced into giving statements that was written then in Marathi language. Here's a complete story. Sushant Singh Rajput's family was aware of the actor's mental health issues. They had admitted in their statement to the Mumbai police. India Today has now accessed these statements, which are now with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Sushant's sisters, Neetu, Priyanka and Meetu, according to these papers, admitted that Sushant was depressed and was visiting a psychiatrist. Priyanka, in her statement to Mumbai police, also told that Sushant had consulted a psychiatrist in 2013, an aspect Riya Chakravarti had also touched upon in an exclusive interview to India Today.
मैंने उनसे बात की और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि 2013 में उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ था जब उनको एक डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड हुआ था और वो एक साइकाइट्रिस्ट को मिले थे जिनका नाम शायद मिस्टर हरीश शेट्टी है और उन्होंने ही उस सुशांत को ये मोडाफिनिल वाली दवाई प्रिस्क्राइब की थी.
The eldest daughter Neetu, in statement to Mumbai police, said Sushant was admitted to Hinduja Hospital for treatment under psychiatrist Karchi Chavra in November 2019. The actor's father, KK Singh, in his testimony said the actor had called him on 6th of June when he asked him to return to Patna. The father also said Sushant was not feeling well and may have committed suicide out of dejection. The family's lawyer, however, has rejected these statements.
As far as the family is concerned, the family has never given any such statement of Sushant committing suicide. These statements were recorded by the Mumbai police in Marathi. The family also objected that please don't write in Marathi if you want us to sign. They were forced to sign that statement or the statement written in Marathi. They had no clue of what was being written.
Investigations in every state take place according to the state language. If at all they had an objection, if at all they did not understand the contents of the statements they had signed, which they said that they had understood when they signed those statements, I can't understand how anybody can go back on that.
So far, Sushant's family has publicly maintained that he was not depressed. But these statements, now with the CBI, reveal a completely different story from what their FIR filed in Patna earlier claimed. Now it is up to the Central Bureau of Investigation to dig out the truth. Bureau Report, India Today. So covering and exploring all possible angles here as well, the CBI is now also started looking for a possible link, if there is any, between Sushant's death and his former manager Disha Salia's death as well. Remember that Disha Salia died after she seemingly fell off from her high-rise apartment in Mumbai's Malad. She died on 8th of June, nearly 6 days before Sushant's death as well. The CEO of Cornerstone, Banti Sajde, the firm for which Disha Salia was working and is also handling Sushant, is being questioned by the CBI. Now, the top investigating agency is not probing Disha Salia's death specifically, but they will be looking for a link, if there is any, between the two deaths. Saurabh Vaktania from Mumbai has been tracking all the latest on this. Saurabh, what sort of link could the agencies be exploring here? Because if it seems one was clearly a case of suicide, also it seems Sushant was not exactly in touch with Disha Salia. So what link is being explored here? Over to you.
Well, Pooja, first of all, Sushant had hired a talent management company who was looking after all the work-related things of Sushant Singh Rajput. That's the cornerstone. And this is the same company in which Disha Salian used to work. Now, there were many of the projects for Sushant Singh Rajput. I must say, there was some ad for footwear, there was some ad for few other things. So in those particular ads, Sushant had to work, and this was deal which was going through the cornerstone company where Disha Salian was working. So they may not be directly linked, but yes, Disha Salian and Sushant spoke on few of the occasions related to some of the project. Disha Salian with her whole team had visited Sushant Singh Rajput residence in Bandra discussing the deal. Sushant was very happy with the deal, but due to the lockdown which was getting increased as every month, it could not be put on record. Now what happened is, when Disha Salian allegedly committed suicide on 8th of June, there were many theories which came after that. There is some sort of link between Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput. That so many theories came up, but the Mumbai police maintained that there is no linkage. Now Siddharth Pethani, who is the very close person to Sushant Singh Rajput, who trusted him very much, Siddharth Pethani in a statement has always maintained that after Disha Salian died, there were so many rumors that Sushant felt little depressed about it. He was not liking the way that so many news were coming up that Disha Salian and Sushant Singh Rajput deaths are connected. So there is some sort of such connection, but direct linkage to Disha Salian death, that has not
Saurabh,
come up.
stay on
So
with
the
me,
investigating
because we have
agencies
some
right now is
related news
probing
coming in
that,
on this
how
story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.